طبعا انجلش يا معلم، من اول تعال اجاني.
You don't know English?
لا يا هاني ارحب. No English.
So what? Arabic?
Yes.
Oh,
لا ابغى صوت.
but I can't understand.
ولا انا ماني عم بفهم.
كيف حالك؟
You okay?
كيف حالك?
I am fine, thank you.
And then I don't know what I will say in Arabic.
شو الحل؟
Your country name?
ارحبوا يا اللي طبيتهم. What?
Where are you from? Your country?
Syria.
Oh, Syria. Fine. So you are Muslim?
Yes. And you?
I am also Muslim.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
أهلا وسهلا. Welcome my friend.
Do you heard before about Bangladesh?
True.
Do you before hear about Bangladesh?
No.
But I heard Syria.
لا ما أجي.
What are you eating? What are you eating? What is this? Rice?
بوشار.
Okay. How old are you?
See you. See you.
How old are you?
26.
Oh, it's perfect. Nice.
Thank you. And you?
23.
Hmm.
23.
You're small.
Yeah. But not small. Only 3 years is small
والله ماني مسكين.
than you.
كمان ما فهمت.
Only
ارحبوا يا اللي طبيتوا ارحبوا.
3 years is small than you.
في 3 سنين بيناتنا.
Yeah.
هلا يا فادي ارحب. فهمت. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm talking with you, but I can't understand your language. And what are you doing? What are you doing right now?
Talk about you.
Oh, eating.
With you.
You are so beautiful.
Thank you my friend. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Welcome.
هلا يا تاريخ.
One day
You?
I will go Syria for visit.
Welcome.
For traveling.
بتنور خيو. أهلا وسهلا. Welcome.
جزاك الله خيرا.
كفو يعني يسكفوا لك بعينك. خيو أنت تعال على سوريا. أهلا وسهلا.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم ألف السلام.
Nice to meet
See
you.
you my friend.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Okay.
Me too.
I'm lost. Shit.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
See you my friend.
Take care.
See you.
Okay. Bye.